Green light flashes, engines roar. From rest to rush, the race ignites. Adventure unfolds at full speed. Rivals push hard, the challenge intensifies. The track twists and turns, excitement peaks. Every meter tests skill and courage. Triumph echoes, every hand contributed. Teamwork and passion restored a legend. Adventure ends in victory. Every upgrade shines, every system is perfect. The car is ready, challenges await. From old to unstoppable. Hidden deep in forgotten streets, another legend waits. Once fast, now frozen in time. The adventure begins anew. Every creak echoes decades of silence. The secrets inside, waiting to be revealed. Today, the shadows hide its shape, a car lost to history. Metal covered in dust, stories untold. Yet potential gleams beneath neglect. Every crack marks a forgotten battle. Time could not erase its spirit. Restoration will awaken its roar. Steps echo. Anticipation fills the air. Adventure waits around every corner. Discovery comes with caution. Inside, time has left its mark. Every gauge frozen, every detail speaks of the past. Restoration will breathe life into it.
The car is fragile, yet full of potential. Every bolt, every panel, carefully noted. The plan to revive it begins.
Blueprints drawn, restoration mapped. Old meets new, vision meets reality. Every part will shine again.
The heart of this legend, silent for decades. Power hidden beneath layers of neglect. Soon it will awaken.
Old components must go to make room for innovation. Every bolt replaced, every system revived. Transformation begins here. Fire and metal, a dance of rebirth. Old gives way to new, piece by piece. Adventure is in every spark. Layers of time peeled away. Every surface reveals history and potential. Restoration is uncovering the past. Dirt and rust removed, precision restored. The car begins to breathe. Old heart, new life. Every curve smoothed, imperfections vanish. A blank canvas emerges from neglect. Beauty hidden under rust revealed.
Shiny rims and tires ready for the track. Attention to detail. Every inch matters. From forgotten to ready.
Every wire tested. Every system tuned. Old circuits meet modern technology. The car awakens with potential. First layers of color, a new beginning. Old scratches fade, new shine emerges. Restoration is transformation. Unexpected challenge, tension rises. The team works together, solution found. Adventure tests skill and patience. Glossy coat reflects the future of speed. From forgotten to racing marvel. Shining under the light of effort. Every bolt tightened, precision achieved. Old design meets modern engineering. The car is ready for action. High-speed tires fitted, grip perfected. Old glory meets new technology. Every corner will be mastered. Power boost ready, speed unleashed. Every system tuned for victory. From rust to unstoppable force. Luxury, safety, control, all restored. Every detail ready for the race. Adventure and challenge await. From abandoned garage to racing marvel. Every effort, every challenge rewarded. The next adventure calls. The track awaits, rivals line up, new challenge, new speed, the test begins. From old to new, from restoration to legend, the heart of the car receives unmatched power. Turbo fitted, every RPM ready to roar. Old design meets modern fury. Precision in every pipe, performance optimized. Old metal reborn into a racing machine. The track will feel its power.
Every bolt tightened, suspension tuned to perfection. Control restored, speed harnessed. Adventure meets engineering.
Brakes sharpened, ready for sharp turns. Precision and safety, both ensured. Every second matters on the track. Tires that grip like glue, speed unleashed. Old glory transformed into racing precision. Victory starts from the ground up. Lights shine bright, every detail illuminated. Modern tech enhances old beauty. Nothing will hide from its presence. Every dial, every gauge, restored with modern tech. Control is absolute, performance optimized. Precision is key. Power boost ready for bursts of adrenaline. Old engine now fierce, unstoppable. The track will witness its fury. Aerodynamics perfected, sleek and fast. Every line designed to slice through wind. Old legend, new speed. Horsepower maximized, every RPM tested. The car hums with life, ready to roar. From restoration to domination.
Every curve gleams, light dances on the surface. From neglected to glorious, the car reflects its rebirth.
Safety, comfort, control, all restored. Driver ready, adventure awaits. Old car, modern precision. Fuel flows smoothly, engine ready to explode. Power and efficiency, perfectly balanced. Every part engineered for speed. Every turn precise, every maneuver mastered. Control in the driver's hands, perfection achieved. Challenge accepted, adventure continues.
A flash of speed, thrill in every second. Power unleashed, rivals beware. The car is ready for any challenge.
Precision fine-tuned, every detail verified. Old legend now perfected for the race. Adventure is in the details.
The heart of metal beats, alive and fierce. Power controlled, speed unleashed. From restoration to racing marvel.
Every challenge met, every problem solved. Teamwork brought this legend to life. Adventure, restoration, and innovation combined.
Identity restored, every detail shines. Old glory meets modern racing spirit. Victory begins before the race even starts. Grip perfected, adrenaline high. Every move calculated, every second critical. The adventure continues on the track. From shadows of abandonment to the light of challenge. Every detail restored, every system ready. The legend moves again. Focus sharp, heart racing. Adventure meets precision, speed awaits. Old legend, new challenge.
The track stretches ahead, rivals in sight. Challenge calls, the adventure continues. From restoration to racing glory.
Every gear, every shift, perfect control. From old mechanics to modern mastery, the race begins in earnest. From dust and neglect emerges a racing marvel. Adventure, restoration, and challenge, all in motion.
Rivals side by side, the challenge begins. Adrenaline surges, anticipation peaks. The track will decide the legend.
Hands steady, eyes focused. Every decision counts, every second matters. Victory starts with control.
Green light flashes, engines roar. From rest to rush, the race ignites. Adventure unfolds at full speed.
Every wheel spins, precision in motion. Old restoration meets modern engineering. The legend surges forward.
Calculated move, first rival passed. Speed and skill merge, every second matters. The race is on in earnest. Rivals push hard, the challenge intensifies. The track twists and turns, excitement peaks. Every meter tests skill and courage. Sharp turn, reflexes sharpened. Adventure in every maneuver. Victory demands perfection. Nitrous burst, speed skyrockets. Old power transformed, new dominance revealed. The track feels the legend's fury. Competitors falter, unable to match pace. Every detail of restoration gives the edge. The legend leads the charge. Masterful drift, control meets thrill. Every turn, every second, perfection. The crowd holds its breath. Gliding forward, unstoppable momentum. Old glory transformed into speed. Adventure and victory intertwined. Full speed, thrill at its peak. Every upgrade proving its worth. The challenge is conquered. Rivals push, but precision wins. Every second calculated, every meter conquered. The legend maintains lead. Finish line in sight, tension rises. Every moment counts, every move critical. Victory is near.
Final corner, skill meets courage. The legend dances through danger. Triumph within reach. Victory achieved, the legend prevails. Restoration, upgrades, adventure, all rewarded. From old to new,
Triumph echoes, every hand contributed. Teamwork and passion restored a legend. Adventure ends in victory.
Every scratch gone, every detail perfect. From forgotten metal to racing marvel, the legend shines.
The journey complete, victory earned. Every challenge met, every obstacle overcome. Adventure and restoration immortalized. From dust to speed, from rust to legend. The story of restoration and courage, complete. Tomorrow awaits new adventures. Every detail checked, perfection confirmed. Old meets new, adventure preserved. The legend stands ready for what's next. Every upgrade shines, every system is perfect. The car is ready, challenges await. From old to unstoppable. Power alive, speed unleashed. Every component tells a story of restoration. The adventure continues in every heartbeat. From forgotten streets to racing glory, old becomes new, challenge met. The legend moves forward. Adventure never ends, legend never fades. From dust to glory, from restoration to racing triumph, a new chapter awaits tomorrow.